Hello, welcome back. Okay, so what we're going to do now in this video, we're going to do a cross body pattern. So this is going to actually come at you different angles. So we're going to start off with one simple step, is basically a closed position, and then we'll give you an open position. Cool? All right, let's take off from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Nicely done. All right, let's take it from this angle. Start over in this corner. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Very good. Now let's do this from two hands with my back to you. Okay? And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Good. So let's take it from this angle. Now notice that our hands are like this. You can do underneath if you like. Okay? So here we are. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Good. All right. There you have it. Nicely done. So again, you go practice this, rewind as much as you need to, pause when you need to. All right, and if you need more detail, as we always said in all the videos, that you need to go to the Private Lesson Style videos. This is a quick view for you. Cool? All right, have fun. Come on back for the next pattern.